What are cookies? Meet James. He did a lot online today. He read the news, paid the bills, picked out a couple of new bombers, and watched a movie. All he saw all day were texts, pictures, and videos. However, there was also something hidden. Cookies created and saved by all the sites James visited today. Usually, these cookie files make his online life more convenient. Through cookies, sites recognize James and don't ask for his login and password every time. Yet, cookies can be harmful. Some companies use them to track users' online activities. You don't even need to visit these companies' websites. For a small fee, tracking cookies could be hosted by anyone. The information collected through cookies is likely to be sold to someone else. James' digital profile could end up with advertisers aggressively pushing unnecessary stuff on him. Or even scammers tracking down potential victims. Before James tried to handle cookies on his own. Then he discovered a simple and reliable way to protect himself. He installed AdGuard ad blocker and forgot about dangerous cookies once and for all. Don't settle for less. Choose AdGuard.